to Thailand, Kyle.
Zoom to Thailand.
That's right. Put the hands in it. Go.
Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20 to 1 out here. No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Book a consultation, become a Patreon member, make new friends, and join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Your life will never be the same. Zoom Tribe. Today we're at Royal Cliff Convention Center. We came to the Bare Knuckle Fighting Championship. We taking y'all on the inside.
I didn't expect the two big guys to hug, man. Right. I don't mind jumping in the middle of a fight, but these two started hugging. I'm like, I'm not about that shit.
Patreon members, Zoom Tribers, and subscribers, friends, and haters, y'all ain't gonna believe what I'm about to show you, man. This was like a real-life Rocky moment in Thailand.
Now, my man might not be in the best shape, but it takes balls to get in there, you dig?
Richie Mack, Zoom to Thailand. You gonna kick ass? All right, you guys, it's time for the big showdown. The ladies is in the house.
All right, I got my ladies right here. My ladies right here in the building. Fit, friendly, feminine. Yeah, sexy.
Now, I gotta be honest with you guys. I've never seen a bare knuckle fighting contest in person. In slow motion, it didn't look like it really hurt that much. But when you see the dude hit the ground and the blood starts leaking out the face, you know this is real. This is no joke. These punches hurt. And the look on this dude's face, this ain't WWW. This ain't slap boxing. This is the Bare Knuckle Fighting Championship. Ooh.
What's up? Hey, man. Now it's time for the scrap I was telling you about. Now it only lasted 2 rounds, but I'm just giving y'all the highlights. Check this out.
The two big dudes in the main event were scrapping back and forth. One kept getting dropped. Bah!
Let's see what happens. Oh! Damn! 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 There you go, fight him, Steve! Fight him, Steve!
Steve got dropped twice in the first round, but he kept getting back up. Mullet and all.
Pull your hair, Steve! About to catch it. About to catch it. Catch it.
Whoops, there goes the mouthpiece. Run that back one more time.
Wow. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. Bring them out, bring them out. It does not suck to be ringside next to the ring girl.
My man Steve from the Carolinas got dropped like twice in the first round. And then he got up, and then this happened.
Pull your head. About to catch it. About to catch it. About to catch it. I have a feeling it's going to be a knockout.
Man, it was like a real-life Rocky moment. Nobody thought he was going to win.
Steve, Carolina in the house! Carolina in the house, baby! Steve, you said you was gonna do it! You said you was gonna do it! You said you was gonna do it! Meet in the middle and throw down, baby. Your man did it! I see. I see.
I dropped twice. He got the big deep. I told him the big breath. Let's get it.
I seen you come
over. I told him to wake up.
Absolutely.
That's what North Kakalaki does.
That's what I'm saying, baby.
Stand up and do it.
And the North Carolina stand up.
Yo, Adrian! I did it!
He did it. I said he was going to do it. His coach kept him in the game. They did the thing. He did it. Got the knockout. There you have it.
Shout out to my man Steve from North Kakalaka for that amazing victory, and his coach. He didn't stop believing in him. Steve did his thing, got up off the turf and did it. You understand me? Shout out to all the fighters. It takes so much heart to do what you guys do. Appreciate y'all. And I give a special shout out to my main man, Nick Chapman, owner and CEO of BKFC Asia. We're gonna do it again soon, you dig? You know what I'm about to say, right? Theme music.
Soon to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG, let's go.
As y'all can see, the Travel OG is in the right spot with the ring car girls. You know how we do. Zoom tribe.
One more. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
All right, here we go. They're in the house. We got the beautiful Melissa. There they are. This is who runs the show. These are the real bosses right here. Right here. So you guys be here tomorrow, right?
Yeah, we'll be here.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I can't wait to see you.
And excited. Yeah. Are you gonna be in the front? Are you gonna be there?
I will be all over. Yeah.
Really?
I will be everywhere.
Are you guys on Instagram or Facebook or anything like
Yes.
that? What's your Instagram?
Are you gonna Liz.Dorji?
I won't if you don't want me to.
Oh, okay, you guys can add me. My name is Liz.Dorji. This is Melissa. Her Instagram is Mali.
Oh, Melissa, where are you from?
I'm half German, half Thai.
Really? German Thai. I like it. German. You speak German and Thai?
Yes, I do.
That is awesome. Wow.
Give me your YouTube channel.
Absolutely. Zoom to Thailand.
Thailand. Okay. I got you.
You got Zoom to
And
Thailand?
we are subscribed to Zoom to Thailand.
Absolutely, as you should. As you should. Thank you so much. All right. Okay, bye-bye. Auf Wiedersehen. I can't make this ish up. If you like what I'm doing, you guys, make sure to support your boy. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit notifications to all, and make sure to join the Patreon if you really want to support me. Or if you're coming to Thailand, make sure you book a consultation. I love doing my consultations, and I love speaking with you guys, man. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you on the next one.